Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my world of beauty wherein I talk about makeup, skincare, hair care and everything related. Now I am a mascara person. Like if you ask me what is that one makeup product that I can apply every single day of my life without getting bored, my answer would be a mascara. I have tons of mascaras in my vanity and I'm always looking out for new options to try. And in this video, I will be trying the voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal Paris. Now this mascara is extremely popular in the West. I mean, I cannot even count the number of international YouTube stars who have raved about it. And I cannot even tell you how excited I am to try it. I am just going to dive in and take this baby for a test drive. Now I'll be trying this on my one eye and comparing it to the other, and let's hope the magic happens.
Now the wand that comes with this mascara has a few unique features, the most interesting being the wavy bristles, which are quite uncommon. Also the number of bristles is more than 200, which is still a rare thing to find, and also the shape is hourglass, and all these three unique features combined with the balmy formula makes the application so easy and gives you that dramatic effect in just one coat. Like you can see, I have just applied one coat, but it is looking so intense. There's volume, there's definition. I'm surely impressed.
So you can see the difference between my right eye and a left eye, and like I do have longer lashes by God's grace, but this is insane. I mean, honestly, this kind of experience I've only had when I'm using a very high-end mascara. I mean, for a drugstore, this has bowled me over completely.
Although I'm very happy with the first coat result, but I'll still go over with one more coat to see, what dramatic difference can come. And what I'm noticing is that even though I'm doing the second coat and there's a lot of product, actually there is no clumping happening, which is such a big benefit, because when the lashes they get clumped together, it looks so spidery. But with this, what I'm feeling is that I think because of the way the bristles are made and the shape, I feel the lashes are fanning out perfectly. Now I'll coat my lower lashes and see what happens there. So from what I can observe is that every single lash is being taken care of. You can see how dramatically the lower lashes are changing. Normally I would apply mascara on the lower lash line by holding the wand vertically so that each lash gets its due. But with this, I think because of the hourglass shape, even when I'm applying it horizontally, I feel all the lashes are getting proper coating of the product. So far, I can tell you that I'm very happy with the mascara. The way it has coated my lower lashes is also so perfect. And I mean, if you see the difference closely, it's massive. I mean, I've not done any other makeup. My skin is bare. Just this mascara has made my eyes stand out so much. I'm loving it.
And now, because I don't want my left eye to feel left out, I will be applying it on my left eye as well, so that this mascara can work its magic over there also. Before I go ahead in this video, I want to talk to you guys about why I feel this mascara is so effective. And according to me, a huge part of the credit goes to the wand, the brush that has come with it. So number one, the bristles are slightly wavy. I mean, we all know that when you're applying a mascara, you all have to just
wiggle
a little. It gives you a much more dramatic result. So with this one, you really don't have to wiggle, because already the brushes have that waviness. So even if you just apply it straight, it is doing the dance for you. Ideally, in a drugstore market, you would find every mascara brush to have anywhere between 100 to 120, 130 bristles. But this has got more than 200 bristles, which is huge. So the first benefit is that every time you take this wand out of this tube, it takes out a lot more product than a regular mascara. And secondly, because the number of bristles is more, they are closely packed, right? And all of them are wavy in shape. So when you actually apply it, it holds on to your lashes tightly and applies a black film of product over it evenly, right? The second USP of this wand is this brush has an hourglass shape, right? Now an hourglass shape has threefold benefits. Number one, this shape holds a lot more product than a regular straight or a slightly curved brush. So more product comes out of the bottle every time, more product goes on your lashes in each application, and therefore you get such stunning looking lashes even in just one coat, right? Number two, this kind of shape holds a lot of your lashes at the same time and thereby ensures even application, right? Now the third benefit, which has to be my favorite of using this kind of brush, is that when you use an hourglass shaped brush, it actually fans out your lashes equally, right? Now when your lashes are fanned out equally, it actually ensures that your mascara looks nice, your eyes look bigger and more awake. So what I'm trying to say is that when you will use this mascara, it is so effective that you are going to get your desired, volume and the definition and the length in probably just one or two coats. You would really not need to go over, the mascara again and again. I have decided to do a wear test for this beauty in my hands. Now the company claims that this is going to stay on your lashes for 7 hours without smudging, without clumping, without bleeding. So right now it's basically 1:59 p.m. so it's 2 o'clock, and I will be wearing this mascara for 7 hours and I'll update you on how this looks.
So right now the time is 5:10, which means that I've been wearing this product for over 3 hours now, and as of now what I see is that the product is still very much intact. No clumping, no smudging, so far so good.
So right now the time is 8:59 and our 7-hour limit is over. So first of all, I feel that mascara is more or less same. I mean, I don't find anything untoward or any kind of smudging or any kind of, I don't know. I mean the effect of this mascara is very similar to what it was in the first few hours, which is such a plus point. I mean, if you are looking for a long wear mascara, I think this is where your search ends. Number two, with waterproof mascaras, I always feel that after a while my eyes do start drying up. I do have sensitive eyes and this comes as a drawback. But with this mascara, I really don't feel any kind of dryness in my eyes. I mean, I did take out my lenses in the time when I was not shooting and I just worn them again, but strictly speaking in the terms of the mascara, so even though it's a waterproof formula, it's actually very comfortable on your eye, which is a very big benefit for me because I have a problem of dry eyes. So this is something that I would say is a very big benefit with this mascara. The result of my wear test is that I am 100% in agreement with the company. It does stay for a very long time, doesn't clumps, doesn't smudges, it is completely waterproof. Therefore, there is no reason why you should not have this.
While I was doing the wear test, I also decided to put this mascara through a waterproof test, and guess who has passed with flying colors?
Now every mascara lover would know that waterproof mascaras, no doubt they look beautiful, but yes, they are a kind of pain in the lash because it's the formula, it's very drying, and after a while your eyes might start itching and removing is a big problem and all that. But with this mascara, this actually has a lot of ingredients that makes the formula very balmy and very smooth to apply and remove. So basically this mascara, it has got castor oil, rose oil and some cornflower extract, which basically helps in, you know, elevating the level of formula. And I mean, if you look at it, you'll realize that it's actually very balmy. Even when you apply it, it's very smooth, and probably that's the reason why it glides on so nicely, right?
This is how the outer packaging looks like. It's simple, it's pink, it's clean and it's impressive.
Now this beauty comes in a rose gold packing, so you give me my favorite product packaged in my favorite color and you have my heart forever. The L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara is available for 799 rupees, and I will not at all call it expensive, because you know, for a product like this, paying 799 rupees is a steal. I mean, trust me, I have tried so many mascaras and I can tell you that a product like this in drugstore is nothing short of a blessing, because you just saw how magically it worked. You saw the wear test, it did not budge, dude, it did not budge at all. So what I can say is that it is a great product, and if you are a mascara lover, then you should definitely have this in your vanity. So this was my in-depth review of the product. I mean, in a nutshell, I can tell you guys that I absolutely love this product, and I highly recommend all of you to try it. I mean, for me, this baby have my heart. I had a great time shooting this one, and I really hope that you guys found it useful. Whatever your feedback is, please do write it in the comment section below. Also, I have the purchase link for this product, so in case you want to try it, just go ahead and click on that link. And also, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification bell. I will see you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care and lots of love.